Common air conditioning problems in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and how to fix them. Air conditioners can malfunction at any time. Here are some common AC issues you may experience in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and how to resolve them. No cool air. If your AC isn't producing cool air, you should check the air filter and have the air conditioner inspected for leaks or damages. Poor airflow. If airflow is weak, it's recommended you replace or clean the air filter, clean the air ducts, and have a professional inspect the fan. Strange noises. If your AC is making unusual noises, the cause could be a faulty belt, worn bearings, or a damaged fan. Allow a professional to inspect the unit to repair the issue. Call ALCO HVAC today at 540-384-4171 or visit our website alcohvac.com to schedule an appointment with our AC repair experts in Fredericksburg, Virginia.